Hello everyone. In last video in English grammar I have explained you what are vowels and what are consonants. Now you have to remove your English grammar notebook page number 4. The other topic is test yourself. Like I have told you dictionary order. What are that? In that alphabetical in order that you have to write. I'll give you one example over here. Put each group of the word in a dictionary order: play, eat, sing and run. Now play, eat, sing and run. These words have been given to you. In this you have to write it in a dictionary order. Now what is dictionary order? You have to say ABCD. Now from ABCD which letter will come first? E. So you have to write first E. Eat. Then after that which letter will come? P. Play. Then R. S. Like in last video I have taught you what are dictionary orders also. यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे करना है. You have to say ABCD. In this like A B C D E E. Which letter comes? E. तो पहले आपने E वाला वर्ड लिखना है. F G H I J K L M N O P. So you have to write second word P. Q R. R वाला word. S. Then S. This way you have to write in sequence whichever letter comes first in that dictionarical order. Now second we have count the vowels and consonant in each word. In this topic words have been given and you have to count the vowels and we have to count the consonants in this. Our first example is animal word is given. Now in this, how many vowels are there? Vowels are A, I and A. How many vowels are there? 3. Now consonants. How many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3. Remaining. How many are there? 1, 2 and 3. So in the consonants column again you have to write 3. Our second example over here they had given is now in this again how many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3. So what you will write over here? 3 vowels. And how many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many consonants? 4. This way 5 examples have been given. You have to count the vowels and you have to write number below the vowels and remaining which are the consonants you have to write there. I'll send you the pics also. Now given words beginning with the vowel sounds. Over here A, E, I, O, U. These letters have been given and you have to write the words for that. I'll give you some example. For A you have to write apple, ant, aeroplane, words starting with the A. For E whichever words you know, that egg, egg, elephant, eat, ear. This way you have to write the words. For I, ink, into, iron. For O, out, order. This way you have to write. For U, ugly, uncle, up, under. These are the vowels and starting with the A, E, I, O, U you have to write the words. I'll send you the pics. This is on the page number 4. Now come to the page number 5. In last video I have explained you where we use a and where we use an. We'll just take a short revision of it. A before a word beginning with a consonant, as wherever consonants are there we use A, and wherever the vowels are a word beginning with the vowels we use an, A and an. For A, examples are given: a book, a table, a chair, a player, a river. For an apple, an egg, an iron, an owl, an umbrella. These all words are vowels words, so we had used A and an. You have to do the activity of page number 5. You have to write A and an for the suitable sentence.